Hello from 𝚐𝚌𝚌𝚎. Today is officially day one and I just quickly did a quick search on things to do here in 𝚐𝚌𝚌𝚎. Not gonna lie, I haven't done so much research here. There are some things that I do want to do, like going to the 𝚐𝚊𝚌𝚎 Islands, but I'm all situated now in my hotel and I'm off to find a motorbike rental because there are no taxi apps around here, and I think the best way to get around 𝚐𝚌𝚌𝚎 is via motorbike. So I'm gonna walk downtown and just walk into a motorbike spot and ask them if they will rent me a bike for the day or 3 days. Alrighty, let's go. Is not as heavy as it looks, but I am carrying 2 tripods, so oh, I need the key. Cannot forget that. So problem number 1, the manager at my hotel called his friend to see if they had a bike available for today, and they said that they are out for the day. So I'm walking over to this bike rental shop right now. Fingers crossed that they have bikes because I don't know how to get around anywhere else. But let's see. I'm in a part of 𝚐𝚌𝚌𝚎 where I think it's out of the main area now that I'm realizing it. There's some things here like cafes and restaurants that are supposedly popular around here, but maybe that'll force me to explore parts of 𝚐𝚌𝚌𝚎 that are not so poppin' on the internet. So far, so much going on. It's noted that I'm staying right by the amusement park, which is a good thing because it means that there's going to be food probably available at all times. So this is good. It's kind of empty-ish right now. I mean, it is a Tuesday, late afternoon, and people are probably at work or they're on their tours. Usually I'm not a really big fan of tours whenever I do travel, but depending on the situation I might have to take a tour to get to some of the islands here. So we'll see if I can make my way out. Fast forward an hour later and your girl finally got herself a motorbike. I was directed over to Alex Hotel and thankfully that they had a bike. Thank you, Gaman, for the bike. What is your name? What's your
Kim.
Kim?
Kim Mutumerenda.
Kim is my last name.
Yeah.
Kim.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah.
Kim Motorbike Rentals. He really just came here like within 2 minutes of me saying I wanted the bike. So that was super convenient. I will show you guys over to the bike. I also did another test run to see that I can actually ride this thing. This is actually the biggest motorbike rental that I've had. So really fingers crossed that I don't crash it, but I got it because even though it's super cloudy outside, because I'm going on a tour tomorrow. So I did book a tour tomorrow. I'm going to be touring around all of 𝚐𝚌𝚌𝚎 and it cost me 700 dong, which is equivalent to a little under $22, which was so cheap, and they take you to so many places. So I cannot wait to show you guys that tomorrow. But today, since it's 4, I still wanted to take the time to explore the city because on Thursday, I'm planning on spending the whole entire day at 𝚐𝚊𝚌𝚎 Islands, and there's a lot of little pockets of 𝚐𝚌𝚌𝚎 here that I did want to see. So I'm gonna head over to Poa Mountain first. Poa Mountain, and then there's a lot of local restaurants that someone actually recommended me to go to, so I'm excited to go try out the foods there and explore more of 𝚐𝚌𝚌𝚎. Alrighty guys, we're off! I spent so much time here trying to figure out my life and my motorbike situation, so let's go. First off, made my way over to Vinpon Hotel, and actually Kim actually offered to come with me on my journey, so we just wanted to go get gas. And the lighting is honestly so perfect right now. I think it's because it's really humid, there's a lot of clouds, there's not really a lot of light peeking through the clouds. But this is a hotel where you could only get there on a boat. So I'm gonna go throw up the drone and see what I can get from this. Okay. Kim, I'm showing you guys that I am flying R2. Gonna go up in the air. Alrighty. R2, let's go. Bye! Just look how beautiful this thing is! Oh my god, I can't believe this is... I wasn't even gonna come here, but this is just so beautiful, and I kind of like how there's just a lot of clouds here, just because nothing is too bright here and it's like super moody. Look at that, look at that, look at that! That this hotel is so beautiful, and so Kim agreed to take off of work and take me to the mountain because he says that maybe I'm not going to be able to go by myself. So he's taking care of my safety. Thank you, Kim. Come on. Oh my gosh! Wow. Oh, so beautiful. Went through loops and roads that I definitely wouldn't have been able to get through comfortably, come on. But we just got over to 𝚐𝚌𝚌𝚎 mountain and it's freaking beautiful. Holy crap. The mountain itself is actually closed off, but I'm just gonna throw up R2 and see what I can get from here. This is so pretty. How do you say beautiful in Vietnamese? Beautiful. How do you say beautiful? Our last stop for the day, I think. We just got over to the Ha Long market and there's a lot of food, a lot of seafood out here. I don't really know what I want to get, but if I can get them to eat, that would be very nice. Also, Kim has been driving the bike the whole entire time. Wow, so many vegetables. What I find so beautiful is that these markets are right by the mountains, so you have the best view here while selling your food.
Còn đến linh tinh, muộn cái này người ta dọn hết hàng thì em mua cái em cứ ở đây. Cái này muộn rồi. Muộn rồi em ạ.
Super slippery here. Here you'll get some of the cheapest and freshest fish. Because right by the bay.
We'll buy for fresh and fry for the local food for the local people. Cheap more.
Yes.
Cheap more in the tourists over there.
So Kim was saying how this part of Ha Long Bay at these local markets, the fish is a lot cheaper, almost half as cheap as opposed to the markets over in the tour side.
Thôi cô cho cháu cho bạn này, bạn ấy thử người muối được không ạ? Cho cầm để ngửi. Sometimes people don't know. Sometimes people in my country,
Don't like
country,
it?
yeah, don't like it. Because it's small.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Before I don't like, but
Durian.
Okay.
Thank you. Good. If this is durian, this is actually my first time eating durian since. Second time.
Second time.
Second time.
Before where?
In New York, and I did not like it. But this one's good. I think eating this changed my view on durian.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually pretty good. I like this durian. Tastes different.
30.000 em ơi, anh rẻ 30.000 đồng. Em ăn nước nào?
Cái này là mít này là mít gì?
Em ăn mít này là mít Thái.
Mít Thái Lan à?
Thái Lan đấy.
Ồ, Thái Lan. She said that it's from Thailand.
From Thailand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Không có Việt Nam à?
Việt Nam đây.
Wait, is this Vietnamese or Thailand?
No, meat in Vietnam.
I mean Vietnam.
And in meat in Thailand here.
Okay.
But you come here, did you try meat in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like
Okay, good. Em cảm ơn.
jelly.
Yeah.
The durian. The name.
Meat.
Meat.
Yeah, Vietnamese meat.
It's good. I like this one.
Hello.
She gave so many. I need to eat another one.
Chưa,
So
đang
this
có
is
take một
called
chợ.
meat. It's Vietnamese fruit.
Meat in Vietnam.
Meat.
Meat.
Made strictly in Vietnam. This is my first time.
Yeah, first time?
Yes, this one. MIT. Meat.
Meat.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Meat. Good. Kim actually just came and brought me over to this like secret hidden spot in this abandoned building over here in Halong Bay. And we just got some food from the market and we're just gonna chill here.
We have
Food
beer and fruit.
and fruit that we got from the market.
Yeah.
Just gonna chill here.
Meat. Chicken.
Chicken, yes.
Yeah.
Gonna eat here, chill here, and then end off the night here. But this is a surprise for me. I honestly did not expect this, and I had no idea that this even existed. But I can't even tell you how to get in because we had to walk at least 1 kilometer to get over here. It's really cool. Thanks for bringing me here. But I'm gonna put my camera away because after this, I'm just gonna head over to bed because I am going to Halong Bay tomorrow on a tour. Gotta wake up at 7, but I'm gonna see if I can try making sunrise, so we'll see about that. But anyways, good night y'all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.